धेंपो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान पायलॉन एरोजाक 2-0 गोलांनी मारले. दोनूय गोल खेळाच्या दुसऱ्या हाफान जाले. रॅन्टी मार्टिन्सान 2 गोल मारिल्ल्यान जैतिवंत जाल्लो धेंपो पंगड आतां 6 पॉयंटांनी ईस्ट बंगाला मुखार आसा. पायलॉनाची साळगांवकारा बरोबरची हे पयलींची मॅच ड्रॉ जाल्ली.
And the referee gets us underway. So Dempo playing from left to right on your screens, playing in the all-white strip. And if they win today, they will restore a 6-point lead at the top of the table. And straight away, the referee getting his book out down, clutching the back of his right ankle. Well, he might well have booked Bikramjit Singh there for that challenge. It's all happening early on here, isn't it? There to run at the defence and doing it again now. Coming forward, shooting from distance. Poor first touch again though by Denzel Theobald, who may still be struggling with that kick on the left leg. Shot comes in. Holicharan are quite happy to have a shot from distance. Good skill there. Looked lively initially, haven't they? And again, another good shot from Nazari, and again a good save. Opportunity now. Anthony Pereira gets the cross in at pace on the left-hand side. Does well, checks inside, cross towards Denzel Theobald, and the shot comes in, and it's pushed over the bar. And the referee's whistle is gone. He's going to get his card out, is he? Trainer's being called on. Mr. Bikramjit. Have another look here. Keeper coming out. It's a 50-50 ball, wasn't it? And Naveen Kumar has been sent off. Well, there was some debate there about what was going to happen. Oh, that's a lovely ball. Oh, Denzel Theobald, beautifully timed run by Rebeo on the right-hand side, on a plate for Sakibo. And goodness me, it was easier to score, really. Bikramjit. And there's a goal out of nothing. And it's Ranty Martins, the man, 6 goals in the previous 4 games against the Arrows, and he's on the score sheet again. That's the danger of the man. Martin's 22nd goal of the season, the top scorer in the I-League. All played into the penalty area. The opportunity is there. And another goal for Ranty Martins. Left foot. Cross coming in from Anthony Pereira. And really, from that sort of distance, he's not going to miss, is he? Yusuke Kato. First appearance then for the Japanese player. And the referee, Mr. Bikramjit, decides enough's enough. That is it.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in ह्या वेबसायटीचेर पळोवंक मेळटल्यो. घडटात तश्यो बातम्यो जाय जाल्यार तुमी आमचो ट्विटर अकावंट प्रुडंट गोवा फॉलो करात. www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकावंटाचेरय तुमकां आमच्यो बातम्यो वाचूंक मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.